What up, guys and gals? Black Sheep again. Rear coverage going on now. So these ones are even easier, I'm not even kidding you. So you take these pink parts and you hook them around the back of the brake right here. Like, I'm not even kidding you. It's on. Okay, then you take your bracket, you take off beforehand. Now don't get these mixed up, top and bottom, because it's kind of frustrating if you know. Put that bad boy on there like so. Hook it around the back right here. Now at first, you're like, dude, doesn't fit right. That's not right. Doesn't fit right. Handy dandy little tool the S550 parts provide you. Give it a couple turns. Okay. I'm gonna go freaking pie on this thing and tighten it down crazy. But go to it like it's hard, then like a quarter turn. Boom. Top one. Put that bad boy on there like so. Same thing, it's gonna want to come up. Oh, it doesn't fit. Bros and broettes. It fits, right? Like legit. Besides the one's performance gauge, go check them out by the way. This shit is simple. My chick could probably do it. Oh. Not coming off. Solid. Let's go. Fire. Easy. I'm gonna put these big old 305s, you feel me? Have a great day, you guys. S550 parts. Because she's worth it.